Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Chandler.
And this is Damaged Darts, where we specialize in converting ordinary Nerf blasters into extraordinary prop-worthy blasters from popular video games and movies, and show you how you can do it too. If you like what you see on this channel, won't you be so kind as to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a thumbs up like, and a positive comment below.
Today we're going to be unboxing the Nerf Fortnite silencer pistol.
Alright, so let's get this baby open. There's a knife. Woohoo!
Right.
Check it out. Go. Oh, here.
Okay, pull it out here. Oh man,
Good
this is
grief,
awesome.
this thing is monstrous.
Look at that silencer on that thing. Very comical.
Look at the schnoz on that thing. Golly.
Oh my goodness. Get it popped out here.
Without lacerating yourself.
Yeah. Okay, so there's the pistol there. And there is the extremely giant silencer.
Awesome. Let's get this out of the way.
Attachable on there. Get all this here.
Alright. Instructions.
Yeah, we don't need any instructions here. So this pretty much reminds me of the Nerf Han Solo and Ray Blaster.
Yep, let's
as it
bring that
has like a, yeah, right here.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Because it's a top load here. But instead, this one only holds 3 rounds, where those held 4 rounds, I believe.
Yeah, they were 4 round. So yeah, it was the so the Nerf. It's very much like a reskin of the Nerf Han Solo blaster and the
Nerf Ray Blaster.
Yeah, the Ray Blaster. Both of those two on the internals.
Yeah. So the aesthetics on this thing are really awesome. It's got the worn Fortnite gun look. I love the handle grip on this thing.
Yeah, it's nice.
Of course, this thing right here is just hilarious.
That makes it. That makes it.
Oh man! And to keep it video game accurate, they have the down here.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's gonna be fun.
That's
I'm
awesome.
guessing since it's a breech load, the internals are gonna be very similar to what you'd find in the Star Wars Han Solo blaster or the Ray Blaster. So it was like I think we checked it out. Some people had some photos of the internals online, and it was the conical shaped spring.
Yeah. I'm pretty much. I think it was a conical shaped spring. So I think it's the exact same spring as what those blasters use.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I'm hoping it's a little thicker gauge in there, but chances are it's probably the same. Like you said, it's probably stock.
Yeah, so we'll see how it performs out there in the hallway when we test it out.
Yeah, we'll take it out there, and we do plan on doing a full modification of the internals, and of course the full makeover cosmetics to make it exactly like the replica on the game. So we'll probably be dropping in, I don't want to give away too many of the details, but stay tuned for our next video on what we're going to modify on the insides, and we're going to show you guys how to do that too. So without further ado, let's take that outside.
Take it out to the hallway
and shoot some stuff.
Alright, so we're here at the firing range, and I'm going to be firing downrange at the Bunker Battle Zone's inflatable oil can. And if you guys haven't seen the unboxing review we did of that, just click the card here. And another thing, we actually beat Nerf to the punch on creating Fortnite Nerf blasters. We created the tactical scoped AR, and click the card here to see that. And we also did the tactical SMG, and click the card here to see that one. Alright, I've got 3 rounds loaded in here, and let's shoot some stuff. Alright. So it's got some pretty good performance stock, but it'll definitely be a lot better when we upgrade the spring in this thing. So there's 3, and I'm actually going to take this off. That's the awesome thing about this. You can take the silencer off. And I've got the Nerf Chrono Barrel. And if you guys haven't seen the unboxing review we did of that, click the card here. Alright, I'll stick this on, turn it on, and pop 3 rounds in here real quick. 1, 2, 3. And there we go. There we go. 71.3 on that one. Yeah. And let's do one more here. 68.6. So it's got about 70 FPS stock. So that's pretty good.
That is not bad. Yeah.
Yeah, so there you have it, the Nerf Fortnite silencer pistol.
All right. So what do you call that again? It was the silencer.
Silencer pistol.
Oh, that's what you said out in the hallway. Oh my goodness. But you know, it's actually a creative take on it because it has the sh on there. So hey,
Yep.
yeah, that's a keeper. Thinking a little more on this. I'm sure we could probably tighten the O-ring and the plunger. There's probably a restrictor that needs removing in there. So stay tuned on a future video when we're going to be doing a full mod on the inside and giving it a whole makeover. Really excited to do that. But for stock, it's super cool. At 70 FPS, it's a nice little blaster.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, a great one to add to your Fortnite collection. So there it is.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing review of the Nerf Fortnite silencer pistol. And if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel already, just click the double D icon down below. You'll help us create more cool content for your enjoyment and inspiration. Until next time, I'm Chandler.
And I'm Jonathan.
And this is Damage Starts.